Hello and welcome. In this video, I will be showing you how to convert any website into a downloadable mobile app without writing a single line of code. So even if you are not familiar with programming languages, this is something you can do. I am talking about both Android and iOS apps, and you can also publish the app to Play Store or App Store if you want. I will be using this website to show you the process. This is a website that I built for a client. It is a marketplace where people buy and sell all kinds of digital products, and he told me he wanted a mobile app version of the website, so that's exactly what I will be doing. While I'm doing it, I will share the steps with you. So after watching this video, you can do it yourself. You can also charge clients for this service. First of all, before you convert a website to an app, make sure it is mobile friendly. So I will just right click and then click inspect, and here you can see that this website is mobile friendly. If your website is not mobile friendly, then people will not even want to use it. This is the login page of the website, and then here is the registration page. As you can see, everything is mobile friendly. Now let's start converting this website into an app. There are a number of tools you can use to do this, but in today's video we will use this tool called App Geyser because it is easy to use. So I will just go to Google and type App Geyser. Here is the website. As you can see here, you can convert all kinds of websites into an app, like an online store, portfolio website, news website, blog, booking service website, online learning website, and so on. So to start converting your website, scroll back up and click Create App for free. By the way, on DIGITALZ, we offer internet marketing services. We build all kinds of websites, mobile applications, search engine optimization, and social media marketing. So if you have a business and you want to get more customers online, we can work together. After clicking the button, here you can start converting your website. You can paste your HTML code of your website here. You can also use the URL of your website, or you can upload the zip file of your website here to convert it. The best method that I often use is the URL option. It is simpler and it gives the best result. So here I will copy the website URL, then paste it here. Immediately I paste it, you can see the live preview of the website in the right side. Then I need to provide a name for my app. In most cases, you can just use the same name of your website. Since the name of the website I am trying to convert is Megaply, I will just enter it here. And then you need to enter an email address that you can use to associate with this app. A professional email address is best, but you can use whichever email you want. Here, I will enter the email address, then click Next Step. On this section of the process, you will need to upload an icon for your app. Every app have an icon, so yours should also have one, right? But make sure the icon is 512 by 512 pixels. So I will click upload, then I will locate the folder where my app icon is. This is the icon I want to use. When I click it, you can see it here. Then I will need to enter a color theme for the app. Since the website is mostly a dark theme, I will just choose gray. Then click Next Step. On this page, you can link your social media to your app. You can add WhatsApp, Facebook, X, YouTube, your blog, and even the location of your company. You can switch between iOS app and Android app. As for me, my clients demanded for an Android app, so I will stick to Android. But if you want to use iOS, the process is still the same. Then on this section, you should choose tabs. Then on the action bar, click no. Then click next step. And here you can download the app. Just click the download button and you will be taken to where you need to log into your account or register a new account. Since I am creating a new account, I will click the get started link. Here I will enter my email address, then enter a password for my account and click create account. Just like that, my app has been created without a single line of code or any technicalities. My account has been created for me and I can click the download button to download the app to my device. If I click download, here you can see that I can download either the APK file or the iOS file. And I can also share the QR code of my app to others so that they can use it to download my app. So in my case, I want to download the Android app, so I will click download APK. And here it will load and then start the download process automatically. So the file has started downloading. Now I can just wait for it to finish. Here it is. Now I can decide to publish this app to Play Store, and if I want to publish to App Store, I can download the iOS version and do so. I will show you the app live on my Android phone. Having a mobile version of your website is very important because if your customers install the app on their phone, then they can see it every time. But if you only have a website, that means anytime they want to visit your website, they must go to your website URL. Now let me install the app on my Android phone and see how it looks like. Here it is. I will just click install, then allow it to load. Here is the installed app. I can just tap to open it. And here we go. My app is fully ready. Now, if you got value from this video, please hit the like button. And if you own a business and want to find customers online, remember that Larry DIGITALZ can help you get visibility online. We are just a DM away. And if you have any questions or you encounter any issues at all, leave your queries in the comment section below. Thank you and see you in the next one.